Namaste friends, welcome to Deepak's kitchen. This is Deepak Kshatriya and the special recipe of today is tomato curry, which we do a lot in our homes whenever we feel lazy enough but need to eat a delicious spicy and tangy curry. For chapatis and the rotis na, I will do this, and that's a tomato curry, completely our nati style. So without much of wait, let's see how to do this yummy and easy tomato curry recipe after the small intro. The ingredients required to make this tomato curry are nearly 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves, a salt as per taste, a quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds and a quarter teaspoon of jeera, and assume 10 to 12 cloves of garlic which is a little bit crushed, and a quarter teaspoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of sambar powder. The link for this sambar powder is given in the link description down below. Do check that for that recipe. Finely chopped onions, nearly 4 medium sized. It should be finely chopped. Finely chopped tomatoes. I have taken nearly 6 to 7 ripe tomato and it should be very fine. Oil 4 to 5 tablespoons. These are all the ingredients. Let's see how to do this. And to do this now, I have kept a pan to heat and the pan seems to be nice and hot. In this I am going to add nearly 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Yeah, I know it's a bit of lot oil, but believe me, for this recipe you need more of an oil and it tastes so amazing. And now look, the oil seems to be hot and good enough. The first thing you need to do is lower the flame because we're going to add some spices, such as I'm going to add a quarter teaspoon of mustard. Always allow the mustard to crackle, only then add the other ingredients. In this case I'm going to add some jeera, that's cumin, and the garlic which have been crushed a little bit. Sorry, I forgot to show you this in the ingredient list, so I'm going to add nearly 2 strands of curry leaves. And now we'll add the finely chopped onion. This is a must. You should always chop this fine. So when the onions get a little fine, the gravy will taste amazing. And it will take less of a time to cook also. Now you can increase the flame and allow this to cook until the onions become somewhat like a golden brown or translucent. And it will take anywhere between 3 to 4 minutes on a medium to high flame. To fasten the cooking process, there is a trick. All of you know that it's adding a little bit of salt. Mix this. I'll meet you in 2 or 3 minutes. Now you can see the onions are literally translucent. They are nearly getting golden brown. This is the right time to add in the finely chopped tomatoes. Let's add it. In this I will add the turmeric powder, remaining salt, and a tablespoon of chili powder. And the star of the show is the sambar powder, which I have made in my home only. The link for this recipe is given in the description down below. If you want, I will place the recipe link in the iCard here. And just mix everything nice and good. And now look, this is nicely mixed, and I will close the lid and allow this to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes minimum, but keep in mind it should be on a low to medium flame only. So I'll catch you back in 4 minutes. And now it's been nearly 2 minutes. I'm just very curious. Wow, Look, the oil is also floating on the top. It looks like the bottom is sticking a bit. In this, I'll add a little bit of water to give this some moisture. Assume just a 30 ml of water is more than enough for this. Close the lid and allow this to cook for about another 3 minutes on a medium flame. Now it's been nearly 3 minutes. Let's open the lid. Wow, it's cooking perfect. You can see here all the oil is actually floating on the top. It indicates that the gravy is nicely cooked and it's ready to serve. So before that, what you have to do, mix it once. The final thing, I will add the chopped coriander leaves. Give this a mix. Whenever I will feel very lazy and need to eat a spicy and tangy thing now, so I'll just do this, and it is that easy also. It doesn't require a lot of ingredients and it is very easy to make also. And even a beginner can do this and get lot of appreciation. And it will go excellent with the chapatis, puris, akki roti, and believe me, it will be wonderful if you take this with ragi mudde or the ragi balls. It will go excellent with it. I hope you guys like this video. Your likes, your comments and the subscribing to my channel will motivate me to do more such yummy recipes. So do that. Please share this video with your family and friends again. So I will be back with another yummy recipes like this. Till then, Deepak signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Namaste.